Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to draw your own doll pattern to make this cute little doll. Now you're all thinking, I can't draw. Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you all you need is a ruler, a pencil, and a round circle that's 5 inches in diameter. This pattern is really easy to draw. Now this is going to be a 3-part series. In the first part, I'll show you how to draw the pattern. Second tutorial, I'll show you how to stitch the fabric all together and put the stuffing in it. And in the third tutorial, I'll show you how to make a little dress. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to show you how to draw the legs. You want to draw a rectangle like this that is 2 1/4 inches wide by 7 1/4 inches long. This is a 2-inch circle template. Now my templates are made by June Taylor. There's 5 different sizes of circles in a package. You can get these at Joann Fabrics and Crafts, Etsy.com, Amazon.com, and many other sewing supply websites. You're going to put it in there to where it just barely touches the bottom of that rectangle. I recommend you use a pencil and just start out here and draw around like that. So this is your leg. If you want to have shoes on the doll, go up 1.5 inches and draw a little line here, and this part would be your shoe. Now I'm going to show you how to draw the arms. So draw another rectangle that's 2 3/4 inches wide by 7 1/2 inches long. Down here at the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to put your 2-inch circle close to the edges on the bottom and the left side, and just draw partially around. So I have a little dot here, and you're going to stop right about here. Now up at the top, you want to go over 1.5 inches from the left-hand side and put a little dot. Then you're going to go down 1 1/4 inches and in 1/2 inch and put another dot. Then in the middle, find the middle, you're going to go in 5/8 of an inch and put another dot. And then down here, 2 1/2 inches from the bottom, you'll put another dot. Now all you're going to do is connect the dots. So from this dot to this dot, draw a line. Then going down the left-hand side, you're going to kind of curve in a little bit to this dot. Continue that curve to that dot. Now I recommend you use pencil, so if you make a mistake, you can erase and fix. Now on this side, you're going to curve down to this dot, continue that curve into here. Now I'm going to erase because I went too far out, and then I'm going to fix it so that it connects. And that is your arm. So then when you're done drawing these pieces, you want to just cut right around your drawn lines. For the hair on the back of the head, use a 5-inch diameter circle template and just trace around. For the hair, for the front, where the face is, draw that circle, that large circle. Then take it and come down about 2 inches from the top of the circle, bringing your template like this, and just go part of the way around. This is the bangs. Then on each side, you're going to come in a little bit. It's about 1.25 inches or so, and trace. And do the same thing on the other side. Then you would cut all of this away, the face here, and that would be the hair for the front. Now I'm going to show you how to make the head. So that will include, this is for the front and back of the doll's head, and this is the neck. So start out with your large circle template, your 5/8 inch. Then you're going to take this and go down about 1/4 of an inch and put a dot. Then take your ruler and put the 1.5 inch line, that's this line right here, on the dot, and then draw a line across. Take your 2 inch mark on your ruler and put it right on that center and come up about 1 inch. And then put dots here and here. Take your round circle and connect from this point to here. Oops, got it on the bottom there. Bring it up and connect. Come over here and do the same thing. Now take some paper and fold it in half. So here's my folded edge right here. You're going to draw a rectangle area that is 3.5 inches wide by 6 3/4 inches long. So take your ruler and put the 1.5 inch line on your ruler on the folded edge and put a little dot up here. Now from the folded edge towards your right, move it over 1/4 inch and go down 1 inch from the top and put another dot. Move your ruler over another 1/4 of an inch and go down 1 inch and put a dot. Do that one more time. Over 1/4 inch and down 1 inch and put a dot. Now you're going to go over 1/2 inch, down 1 inch and put a dot. Move over another 1/2 inch, down 1 inch and put a dot. Then 1/2 inch from the very bottom, from the right side, go over and put a dot. Now all you're going to do is connect the dots. It's like we did when we were kids and they gave us those pictures and they had all these dots. Well, that's what this is. So you go to here, to here, to here, and down, and then just kind of curve around to that point. Then you cut it out. So when you're done doing your drawing, this is what your pieces will look like. So here's the hair, and this would go on over the section for the front of the head. And then here's the back. So you would take one of these where it has the full head and neck, place it on the back. Here's the body, and then of course your leg pattern, and then your arm pattern. Now in part 2, I'm going to go over the cutting instructions, and I will show you how to easily piece all of this together. And I'll also show you how to stuff the legs, the body, the head, and then how to easily connect the arms and legs. This is really an easy doll pattern. I've been reviewing a lot of doll patterns over the last 1.5 years, and this design I came up with, I thought was the easiest way for beginners to get started in doll making. Now, these are the 2 dolls that I have made. Now, this one was actually from a different pattern, and there were some flaws in it that I didn't like. I've also made some larger dolls in which I purchased the pattern, but when you purchase patterns, they're often more complicated and have a lot of pieces. Now, when you go to buy fabric for your skin tone, there is a section in fabric stores where they're all solid fabrics, and they will have many different fabrics that you can use for the skin tone. So if you're going to make a doll in the image of the person you're giving it to, look for the solids. Ask them in the store where their solid fabrics are. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and that you've been inspired to make your own doll. I've just been falling in love with doll making. Now, if you're interested in other beginner sewing projects, then scroll down to the description section below your YouTube screen. Click on the down arrow or the show more, and it will expand open and you will see all kinds of links. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.